I want to thank many of you. Not to forget, I wanted first to thank Olga, who organized here everything. This scientific event, it is very important for us. We always understand that we are grateful for Ukrainian army to make it possible, to make it possible to live like a normal style. But it is also, I think, and it is important for development of the science. Fundamental science is international, it is clear. But I think it is now much more people in Ukraine than in before the war understand or realize that it is important for nation to have international science here. Because of this, I thanks to all of you, but I could say that it could not be possible, of course, without funding. And we are grateful to Germany in general, and German people, and actually German Ministry of, it was called Education and Science, now I don't remember the new name, but for supporting the whole project, the whole program of the Center of Excellence, and for supporting our particular center. And I am, of course, grateful to our team, German team. It is Justin Bernd and Jeroen and the whole team from IFW. And I'm grateful for all of you, for all participants who make this event possible, right? I'm very grateful, especially for people who were so brave to came here, and I think they realize that here in Ukraine, it's in Kiev especially, the situation is not so really dangerous, and we will, I hope we will proceed such events in future. I'm grateful for all participants, especially grateful for Jeroen, who was the main driving force for this program and for idea to make a workshop here. And I think I will give him the word, of course, and I expect that he maybe also give some summary, maybe scientific summary of the, if he wants. So please, Jeroen, thank you very much.
Thank you. I'll not try a scientific summary. You have seen that I've had 2 days that were packed with talks. It was very intense. And one of the reasons is that there were so many talks is that the speakers that we as the organizing committee asked if they want to give a talk, almost all of them said immediately, yes, I want to do this. And that made it also a very stimulating experience for us to organize the workshop. I want to thank Olga, of course, who did much of the organization here, Sylvia, who did much of the organization in Dresden, and there are 2 other people without whom at least some of us would not have been here, which are Svetlana Kondovic, Svetlana there, and Krzysztof, who's there, who took care of many practical matters to get where we are. As a final word, I thank Sasha and his team for hosting us. It has been an incredible experience for me on a scientific level, on a personal level, and I want to also say the words that you said. We will do this again sometime soon. Thank you.